Hey guys, in this quick video I'm going to compare the best crypto prop firms and what are the important things that you need to know about each of these. So let's compare first the pricing here. So here is a Bright Funded. You can see that for the $100,000 you have price €495. And then for example for the breakout, when we're gonna check it right here, you have for 100,000, let's compare those. You have like two-step pretty expensive, like €700, like $725. And the CFT, when we're gonna check it out also, you see like two-phase 100K, one-time fee, $495. So as you can see, like they're like kind of like similar. The CFT and Bright Funded are kind of like on the same page. The breakout is more expensive. So then you can have the profit targets. So for the breakout, you have it like here. You have the phase 1 is 5% and the phase 2 is 10%. So here like phase 2, 5%, first step, like that. So this is something that you see, like that's the goal here. Then the Bright Funded. Here for the Bright Funded, what you're gonna find is the profit target 8K, and then phase 2 is 5K, and that's like for those. And there you're gonna have also the like leverage and different things. So here we're gonna go further. Daily loss is same for all. So when you're gonna find the daily loss is like here like a 4%, but in all of these you're gonna have daily loss 5%, and then you're gonna have the maximum loss. So the maximum loss for the breakout is 5%, and then the Bright Funded is daily loss also 5%, and here too also 5%. So the drawdown type for breakout, you have trailing drawdown. So this is something you have to be aware of. For the Bright Funded, you have static. For CFT, you have static. And then for the split and payments, so the payout frequency for the payouts is 1 day after receiving funded account for the breakout. This is like really good for the breakout, by the way. For the Bright Funded, you have after 30 days and then every 14 days, and CFT every 15 trading days or 30 calendar days. So then we're gonna talk about the rules who are like important. The breakout rules is that it's very trading friendly. So no anti-gambling rule, no profit cap, no consistency, no reverse trading, no news restriction, no one-sided betting rule, no negative margin rule, all strategies allowed. So for the breakout, it's like very good. It's very good for rules, but yeah, it's kind of like expensive, so that's something you have to be aware of. And I'm like a huge fan of Kraken, so that's something that I personally really like. The Bright Funded, on the other hand, you don't have no over leverage trading, no one-sided bets, news trading allowed but restricted. You can open 5 minutes before or after high impact news, and no automated trading. The CFT rule is 30-second rule. Trades less than 30 seconds, the profits are gone. So this is something that you have to be aware of. Gambling rule, max per trade or per trade profit is 10K, no third party strategies, and max allocation is 300K. So the best overall out of all is breakout. Great reviews, also best rules, best payout speed, most expensive, and has trailing DD. Now for the Bright Funded, it's cheaper, but you got good reviews, but stricter news, automation rules, and the Crypto Fund Trader is like lots of rules, lower rating, strong capital allocation system. So this is something you have to be aware of. I hope this video provided a little bit of value of all, and have a great day and goodbye.